told you that the biggest problem clogging our drains, piling in our landfills and polluting our oceans, plastic waste, could actually become the very foundation for our future infrastructure? That the most ignored material around us could help build greener and smarter cities? Introducing RePlast, eco-friendly EPR-compliant paver blocks made from unsegregated plastic waste. It's a circular solution that turns a liability into an asset.
India generates over 9.3 million tons of waste every year, and a major part of it is unsegregated. This means it's contaminated, mixed and hard to recycle. It ends up in landfills, gets burned in incinerators and clogs our drainage systems. Burning it releases toxic gases. Dumping it adds to the environmental degradation. And for municipalities, it's an ever-growing, unmanageable burden. While some recycling solutions exist, very few are scalable, very few can handle the mixed and unsegregated plastic, and even fewer can be directly used in infrastructure.
RePlast is the clean, circular and cost-effective response to this crisis. We collect unsegregated waste and shred it, heat it without needing water, chemicals or sorting. This results in creating durable and fully recyclable plastic paver blocks. These blocks are 40% lighter than concrete pavers, cheaper to produce and stronger in impact resistance. Plus, they are modular, which means they can be reshaped or remelted and aligned with the Extended Producer Responsibility or EPR mandates. They're designed for scalability, simplicity and real-world use.
India is investing in 100+ smart cities. Programs like Swachh Bharat, G20 cleanup goals and the national push for sustainable construction is driving demand for eco-friendly building materials. At the same time, corporates need to meet EPR targets and municipalities are under pressure to reduce plastic dumping. RePlast directly serves both needs. It provides a cost-saving green material for real estate and public works and a responsible disposal route for plastic waste. Advantages of using RePlast are: it is additive-free, it has zero toxic emissions, it is cheaper to transport as it is lighter in weight, and 100% recyclable. In short, we reduce waste, cost and carbon footprint all at once.
Our core revenue model is simple. We manufacture and sell pavers directly to government departments, real estate developers, EPC contractors and infrastructure firms. But we go a step further by partnering with municipal corporations. They provide us with plastic waste and offer unused land or plant space on lease. We process the waste and supply eco-pavers for use in roads, dividers and footpaths. It's a win-win circular model that reduces waste and supports public infrastructure.
Now let's talk economics. We've designed a model that's both lean and high margin. The estimated cost to produce one paver is ₹9. That includes ₹7 for raw materials and ₹2 for overhead charges like labor and rent. We plan to sell our pavers at ₹16, giving us a net profit of ₹7 per unit. That's a solid 44% profit margin. Now let's look at the potential. At a production rate of 8,000 pavers per day, we could generate over 2 crores in annual profit. At 10,000 pavers per day, that goes up to 2.5 crores. Our target is to begin with 3 lakh pavers per month, and with the right setup, we believe it's realistic to scale to 6 lakhs per month within the first 18 months, which could take profits to over 6 crores a year. Plus, with economics of scale, our per unit costs would come down even further, increasing margins over time. Our pavers weigh 1.8 kg compared to 3 kgs for conventional ones. This means 40% more pavers can be transported per ton, saving clients ₹1.8 per paver in logistics. It's not just cheaper to make, it's cheaper to move, making RePlast ideal for buyers and public processes.
The process of setting up is streamlined. Firstly, the plastic waste is shredded using grinders. Next, it's heated and melted in our heating plant. Later, the mixture is combined with sand or ash in mixers. Later, it's poured into molds placed on vibro tables. And lastly, it's cooled and set on racks and then shipped to clients in the form of bricks. This animated video illustrates our full production process, from plastic waste to fully recyclable plastic paver blocks. We only require 4 full-time workers, a basic heating and molding facility, and a rented space worth 15,000 to 20,000 per month. Our marketing is done digitally and via direct outreach to the government and EPR stakeholders.
So why RePlast? Because we are solving a massive and visible problem, offering attractive profit margins, enabling a low-carbon construction model, and pushing India's circular economy vision forward. Challenges, yes, like market awareness and capex, but we're prepared with a scalable model and clear margins and ready demand. We are not trying to fix a future problem, we are tackling today's crisis.
RePlast isn't just a starter, it's a sustainable pathway for the nation's infrastructure. We are converting plastic waste into foundation for better cities. We are supporting jobs, cleaner environments, and cost-saving construction. Let's build cities that don't just grow, they heal. We are Team RePlast. Thank you.